afternoon. Ma'am Del, go to your proper place. Sino mag-open? Okay, sige. Punta na kayo. Mag-start na tayo. Start na tayo. Nakapayang din siya na. Kasi mahaba yung discussion natin mamaya. Everyone ready for the afternoon activity? Okay, back secretariat, let's start. Good afternoon, everyone. This meeting is now called to order. Back secretariat, can we confirm if we have a quorum?
Besides the chairperson, Engineer Nelhel Macari. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
The Vice Chairperson, Engineer Benedicto M. Cabron, good afternoon, sir. Members, Engineer Benedict G. Sagot, good afternoon, sir. Ms. Letely Samos, good afternoon, ma'am. Ms. Sophia M. Batilaran, good afternoon, ma'am. And the provisional member and user, as agreed upon, is Mr. Marlon Mangidim. Good afternoon, sir. Present also from the technical working group, Mr. Chair, are the following. Head, Ms. Alfidelia Esperlado. Good afternoon, ma'am. The Assistant Head, Ms. Rochelle Ann B. Palapa. Good afternoon, ma'am. Engineer Rafi B. Fabros. Good afternoon, sir. Mr. Paul Glenn Eric Rubin-Tapso. Ms. Jaya Pitches El Galvan. Good afternoon, ma'am. Mr. Adrian Patrick G. Anda. Good afternoon. Also are present are the members of the BAC Secretariat. That's all, Mr.
Thank you, BAC Secretariat. With quorum duly established, kindly state what is the order of business.
Mr. Chair, the meeting pertains to the opening of bids and bid evaluation for the procurement project entitled Lease of one lot various printing machines, including supply and delivery of consumables with provision of technical support and services through framework agreement under NTO BAC File 004-26 with an ABC of 25 million. And in this regard, I would like the body to recognize the presence of our prospective bidder from Tapless Printing Corporation, Ms. Shirley Junichi. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please exhibit the general rules.
Rules. During the conference, all participants are expected to follow the general rules to ensure an orderly proceeding. Participants are requested to arrive on time. Bidders' authorized representatives, who are physically present at the venue, shall register and sign the official attendance sheet, while those participating through online platforms must indicate in the chat box their company name, company address, authorized representatives, email, and contact numbers. Proper meeting decorum must be observed at all times. Participants are required to keep their mobile phones on silent mode, observe courtesy and professionalism, and raise their hand if they wish to speak, waiting to be recognized by the presiding officer before doing so. All questions should be relevant to the subject matter being discussed, and unauthorized recording of the proceedings is strictly prohibited. Failure to comply with these rules may result in consequences, including a warning for minor violations or removal from the conference in cases of serious or repeated violations.
The body, Mr. Chair, is hereby informed that notices were sent to the following observers: Attorney Roderick D. Castañeda, Attorney 4, Officer in charge of the team leader, Office of the Resident Co-Auditor of the National Printing Office on March 2, 2026. To the Office of the President, National Printing Office Workers Association, March 2, 2026. To the Office of the Manager, Consumer Operations of the National Printing Office Multipurpose Cooperative on March 2, 2006, to the Office of the Secretary General of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry on even day, Mr. Chair. And to the Office of the Executive Director of the Philippine Business for Social Progress. Again, on March 2, 2026, Mr. Chair. And in this regard, Mr. Chair, may we now proceed with the list of bids received by the Bank Secretariat in connection with this activity.
Proceed.
We received a bid offer coming from Top Best Trading Corporation, Mr. Chair, which procured bidding documents on March 12, 2026 and submitted its bid proposal yesterday, Mr. Chair, March 23, 2026 at 11:42 a.m. This concludes the report concerning the receipt of this bid proposal from the bidders, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Back Secretariat. Let's now then proceed to the opening of documents submitted by the loan bidder from Top Best.
Yes, Mr. Chair. In this regard, may I request the body to recognize Ms. Ira Chantel Laos, Mr. Jasper Hueco, and the king of the Bids and Awards Committee, Mr. King Alua.
Sir King Kaluwag, Jasper Gueco, and Ms. Ira Hilaos are recognized. Please open the submitted documents.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good afternoon again, everyone. I am Ira Chantal Hilaos from the Back Secretariat, the presenter of today's opening of bids for, again, the procurement project, lease of Banlat various printing machines, including supply and delivery of consumables with provision of technical support and services through framework agreement with identification number NPO-BAC-FAL-004-26. The only bidder that submitted their bid for today was Top Best Printing Corporation. They submitted the mother and envelope properly marked, sealed, and signed. Mr. Chair, may we proceed in the opening of the envelope? Thank you, Mr. Chair. Inside the mother envelope contains two inner envelopes. The blue envelope marked technical component and the green envelope marked financial component. Both envelope are labeled and duly sealed and signed. We shall then turn over the sealed financial envelope to the back chair until such time that the bidder is declared eligible for the opening of its financial component envelope. Mr. Chair, may we proceed in the opening of the technical component envelope? First requirement submitted by the bidder is the valid and updated PhilJEP certificate of registration with platinum membership and with attached Annex A. The PhilJEP's registration certificate was issued on July 29, 2025 and valid until July 29, 2026. Under Annex A, SEC Certificate Registration Date, March 26, 1992. Mayor's Permit Expiration Date, December 31, 2026. Tax Clearance Expiration Date, May 7, 2026. Audited Financial Statement Date of Filing, March 27, 2025. Pickup License, not applicable. The second requirement, the bidder submitted its original statement of bidder's single largest completed contract, again for the project titled Supply and Delivery of Paper Seals and BIR Forms for the 2025 national and local elections. And the amount of contract is 15,262,009 pesos and 48 centavos, which was completed on October 26, 2024, with attached billing invoice with number 020566 dated November 6, certificate of acceptance dated November 15, 2024, official receipt number 37882 dated December 19, 2024, again under Commission on Elections, duly signed by Shirley L. Junicio, dated March 17, 2026. Showing you the said attached billing invoice from TopBest and certificate of acceptance. And a copy of the official receipt. The bidder also submitted its computation for the net financial contracting capacity amounting to 1,592,065,138 pesos and 70 centavos, duly signed by Ms. Shirley L. Junicio. Also, the bidder submitted its ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started, if any, whether similar or not similar in nature and complexity to the contract to be bid. Under government, there were no contracts. Under private, there's one under Nestle Philippines Incorporated. Date of contract, there's two private entities with a total amount of 5,749,891 pesos and 30 centavos. Duly signed by Ms. Shirley L. Junicio, dated March 17, 2026. Also, the bidder submitted its notarized bid securing declaration, duly signed by Ms. Shirley L. Junicio, dated March 17, 2026, notarized by Attorney Arsenio P. Aguila, MCLE number 8, dated March 18, 2026. The bidders also submitted their conformity to the technical specifications under Section 6 and 7, duly signed by Ms. Shirley L. Junicio, dated March 17, 2026. And also their statement of compliance under Section 7, technical specifications. Again, duly signed by Ms. Shirley L. Junicio, dated March 17, 2026. Next requirement submitted by the bidder was their notarized omnibus warrant statement, again duly signed by Ms. Shirley L. Junicio, dated March 17, 2026, and notarized by the same notary public, dated March 18, 2026. nasa likod. Hindi, ito. Yan. Also, the bidder submitted a notarized secretarial certificate signed by their corporate secretary, Christina Sico, showing their authorized representative, Ms. Shirley L. Janicio, dated March 18, 2026, and was notarized by the same notary public, dated March 18, 2026. Also, the bidder attached a copy of the supplemental bid bulletin for the said project dated March 17, 2026. Mr. Chair, that completes the preliminary examination of the technical component envelope of the bidder.
Thank you, Ma'am Ira. PWG for the observation and recommendation, please.
Mr. Chair, upon a non-discretionary pass or fail examination of the required documents within the technical component envelope, specifically the valid and updated PhilJEP Certificate of Registration, Platinum Membership, including Annex A, original and duly signed statement of the bidder's single largest completed contract, similar to the procurement project to be bid, the bidder's original and duly signed computation of net financial contracting capacity, the bidder's original and duly signed statement of all its ongoing government and private contracts, original copy of duly notarized bid securing declaration, conformity with the technical specifications under Section 6 and 7 of the bidding documents and supplemental bid bulletin, original duly signed and notarized omnibus sworn statement in accordance with Section 54.3 of RA 12009, and original notarized secretary certificate, submitted by Tabbest Printing Corporation. The TWG finds the submission to be complete. Accordingly, the TWG respectfully recommends that the committee proceed with the opening of its financial component envelope.
The TW's recommendation is now before the body in a motion.
I move to adopt the recommendation made by the TWG, Mr. Chair.
Second the motion, Mr. Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none, the recommendation is now adopted. Please proceed to the opening of the financial component envelope.
Again, with the declaration of the bidder's eligibility, may we now, with your permission, Mr. Chair, proceed with the opening of the financial component envelope.
Proceed.
The bidder submitted its financial bid form consisting of 4 pages. All pages duly accomplished, signed, and are initialed. The bidder submitted their bid offer amounting to 24,900,000 pesos. Again, 24,900,000 pesos. Also showing you the price schedule for the said project with the same bid offer, 24,900,000 pesos.
Thank you, Ma'am Ira. TWG, please.
Mr. Chair, upon the examination of the required contents of the financial component envelope submitted by Tapbest Printing Corporation, as prescribed under the IIR of RA 12009, Rule 8, Section 52, the TWG finds the submission complete and compliant with the requirements. Accordingly, the TWG respectfully recommends the formal acceptance of the financial proposal and further recommends that the bid be considered for bid evaluation to determine its calculated price.
The TWG's recommendation is now before the body in motion.
I move to adopt the recommendation made by the TWG, Mr. Chair.
An objection? Hearing none, the recommendation is adopted. Ma'am Shirley Eunicio, the National Printing Office, BAC, Bids and Awards Committee extends our appreciation for attending this afternoon activity. Thank you very much, and you are now excused. The TWG is directed to conduct the bid evaluation of this activity.
Sir, we request for a 10 minutes break.
10 minutes?
For the bid evaluation. Thank you.
Suspension.
detail their findings or evaluation. May I request the body to recognize Mr. Adrian and Ms. Jaya Pitch, the lovely pair from the PWG, Mr. Chair.
Wait lang Pardon me Alam ko si Mr. Andal. Pero si Miss Galban. Galban. Okay, you are now recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
What's up mga
The technical working group would like to present the bid evaluation report for the project lease of one lot various printing machines, including supply and delivery of consumables with provision of technical support and services under identification number NPO-BAC-FAL-004-26. Based on the result of the bid evaluation as presented in this report, the bid submitted by Top Best Printing Corporation in the amount of 24,900,000 pesos for the project lease of one lot various printing machines, including supply and delivery of consumables with provision of technical support and services under identification number NPO-BAC-FAL-004-26 was found to be mathematically correct, with the total bid as read being consistent with the total calculated bid. In accordance with Republic Act number 12009 and its implementing rules and regulations, the technical working group hereby recommends that Top Best Printing Corporation be declared as the single calculated bid and that its bid be subjected to post-qualification for the purpose of verifying, validating, and ascertaining the truthfulness, authenticity, and sufficiency of all documents submitted in support of its bid. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Andal. Based on the bid evaluation of the TWG, they recommend that Top Best Printing Corporation be declared as a single calculated bid and that its bid be subjected to post qualification. Any motion from the members of the BAC?
I move to adopt the recommendation by the technical working group, Mr. Chair.
Second the motion, Mr. Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none, the recommendation is adopted. The BAC Secretariat is instructed to prepare the necessary notice addressed to the loan bidder, Top Best Printing Corporation, for submission of post-qualification documents.
Noted, Mr. Chair.
Sige, doon na tayo sa Next, yung direct acquisition na. Mag-adjourn tayo? I-ano na lang natin yung direct acquisition?
The BAC Secretariat requests the adjournment of the proceedings, Mr. Chair, at 2:12.
The BAC Secretariat recommended for the adjournment of this afternoon activity in a motion from the members of the BAC.
Move to adopt the recommendation made by the BACSEC, Mr. Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none, the recommendation is adopted and the activity is hereby adjourned at exactly 2:13 in the afternoon. Thank you very much. Thank you, Marlon. Okay na. Yan na.